Hello guys, today we have a new KQi2 kick scooter for review. One scooter from my favorite brands. Whatever you buy from NIU, you know that it will be the best product. The scooter was given to me for review by the only exclusive dealer here in Cyprus, which is Panagiotis, a passionate person for electric mobility, who will be happy to help with any problem that may arise with new vehicles. The store is located in Nicosia, and any information about his store you will find it in the descriptions. About this scooter I will make two videos. Part 1 it will be the review, and second part I will disassemble all the scooter to see the quality build of the batteries, controller, motor, and most importantly to see the sealing from the bad weather, which is the weakest point of the scooters. So let's start as always with unboxing. As you can see, the packing of the scooter is excellent, so there is no chance of any damage during transportation. The first thing from the packaging that we can see is the manual, which is a very clearly written with a very good translation in English. And more importantly, it is user friendly, because it has images like comics that encourage you to look at them and read for the correct use and operation of the vehicle. Then we have the charger, which is a very elegant design, giving a sense of quality. The power of the charger is at 70 watts, that is at 53.5 volts and 1.3 amps charging, which is for 48 volt system. And now someone will ask me, but why is 53.5 volts when it should be 54.6 volts at full charge? This is done by the manufacturer to prevent the battery from charging to 100% to extend the battery life. The next strong point of the charger is the flexibility of the cables. Like that, it prevents isolation from breaking over time, which is very important for safety. The package comes with various other small accessories, such as tools and this tube, which is for easier to inflate the tires. You must pay attention there because proper tire inflation extends the range of the scooter. The build quality is simply incredible. All the connections have been sealed with silicone. Even the bracket of the LED lamp is from metal. The scooter working at 48V system 365W battery capacity, which charges in 7 hours. The motor has output of 300W at normal rate and 600W at maximum. Maximum range that it can give is 40 km with normal driving. Maximum speed is 28 km by American standards and 25 km speed by European standards. The total weight of the scooter is 18.5 kilos and the maximum weight of the rider can reach 100 kilos. In my opinion, this particular kick scooter is the best by a wide margin from the rest. Now someone will tell me, but it is about $500. Yes, it reaches $500, but if you think about the quality you get, the reliability and the design, it's worth every penny. When it is time to tightening the steering, get a torque wrench with an adjustment of 4.5 Nm for proper tightening. First impression after driving are that the scooter is very soft without any suspension. Second is the very solid steering. And third is the very good acceleration. With this torque it can climb hills with me 80 kilos per person without any problem.